Hey there, do-it-yourself technicians. Today marks the end of Scams Awareness Week, so I wanted to introduce you to a few things about scams and how you can avoid them, including this great resource from the Australian Government. Scams Awareness Week is a great chance to have the conversation about what is a scam, how can they affect you, and most importantly, how can you avoid them. I've done an earlier episode on email scams from November last year, which you can see linked up above here. Today though, I really want to introduce you to the scamwatch.gov.au website, which is linked up here, which is a fantastic resource from the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, the ACCC. This is a really great site that talks about the types of scams, how to report a scam, and what to do if you become the victim of a scam. They also have a bunch of fabulous resources like this little book, The Little Black Book of Scams, which you can download a PDF version of on the site. Or if you're a community group, you can probably even order the hard copy sent directly to you. They also have a business scams fact sheet and another publication called If It Sounds Too Good to Be True, teaching you how to protect yourself from scams. We've been following several of the news stories from their page this week, up here on our Facebook page. Just to give you an idea of the detail this book goes into, I'll read you through the contents page. The introduction. The top scams to avoid. Dating and romance scams. Investment scams. Threat and penalty scams. Unexpected money scams. Prize and lottery scams. Online shopping, classified and auction scams. Scams targeting computers and mobile devices. Identity theft. Jobs and employment scams. Charity and medical scams. Small business scams. How scams work. The anatomy of a scam. The golden rules to protect yourself. Where to find help or support, and where to report a scam. All really useful information. I really love this little book. Hopefully it can be helpful to you before it's too late. Check out the website, link in the description below. There's lots of other good resources on the site and in the description. Even if you're not from Australia, these things apply worldwide. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. The Tech Doctor exists to help you become your own technician and navigate the technology maze. We have some more videos that you may not have seen here and here. Here is the subscribe button so you can be notified of all new videos. And up here is a new email newsletter that we're sending out weekly that you can subscribe to for free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.